Hi, I'm Brian Wallander. Today we're going to show you guys how to put on a Tri-Clover clamp. Number one thing you want to do is use some food grade anti-seize. Apply this to these threads, and that'll prevent any galding down the line from heating and contracting, or any dirt and grime getting in there. It'll make sure everything comes off and on easily over time. We've got a 4-inch ferrule cap right here with a gasket, and you just want to make sure, get that gasket seated in the grooves nicely like that. You put on your first half of the clamp, flip the other side around, then you just want to hand tighten it, get it good and snug. You don't have to really bear down on it, but a nice snug fit should hold it. If you have any questions regarding these clamps, you can give us a call at 831-1411, or you can visit us online at csidesigns.com.